Now we're going to open the author's raw file, which should be in a format that you recognize, in Word, and start preparing it into a way that our printer can use. First step is always to save it as with our file name, journal abbreviation, number, and docx for the extension. Then we run our software called Xstyles. Does a lot of neat stuff for us. It checks the fonts throughout the paper, tells you if you've got equations, or if something causes an error message, which is pretty rare. Activating and normalizing is adding a header with the journal title. Then we start adding stuff that we need in our papers. So we need a section head. This was an SCO, so it's a report. I'm going to take out the stuff that we don't need. Just for simplicity, I'm going to skip the second corresponding author. We now allow keywords, but they need to appear after this summary. So I'm going to put it down here. We don't need any of these word counts, and for AJHG they don't include the word abstract. Gabe Peter Harp also made us a very neat little macro which will clean up an author list. Authors frequently put the commas after their affiliation numbers, and so this takes care of that. Then I'm going to page through the document, keeping an eye out for anything weird, like an equation. Here we have a numbered list. And then they put the figures at the end of the main text, which we don't want. So let's copy that, cut it, scroll down to below the references, and paste it down there. Go back up to where we were before. Here's our text, our list. And they helpfully told us how many supplemental data items there are. So I've made an auto text. This is the format that we're going to need. Let's change our auto text 7 figures and 5 tables, and can be found with the article online at, this is going to come up as 3 black boxes, and the printer will insert the URL. So that's 7 figures and 5 tables. Then we can take out the author's placeholder. Acknowledgements, good.